there have been several rejigs, reshuffles that have taken place. Anurag Thakur, who was ex-MOS Finance, has taken charge as the Information and Broadcasting Minister. He's also going to be in charge of Youth Affairs. He's another young minister, just 46. He was, like I said, ex-MOS Finance, handled the key finance ministry along with Nirmala Sitharaman through, perhaps the worst phase of the economy through the course of the COVID-19 pandemic. He's now been made a full cabinet minister in charge of INB as well as youth and sports.
जितने बड़े नाम आप गिना रहे हैं उतनी बड़ी जिम्मेदारी का एहसास भी होता है, इसलिए मैंने कहा जो विश्वास व्यक्त माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने किया है उनके विश्वास पर खरा उतरने का प्रयास करूंगा और इस जिम्मेदारी को ठीक से निभाने का हर संभव प्रयास करूंगा। उसमें आप सबका सहयोग भी चाहिए होगा। आगे बहुत सारे अवसर आएंगे विस्तार में बात करने के। आज आप सब शुभकामनाएं देने हैं। आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
All right. Well, Ashwini Vaishnav has taken charge as a cabinet minister for railways. Remember, this has been a big announcement that's been made. He's a BJP MP from Odisha, ex-IAS officer, has an MBA from Wharton, is ex-IIT Kanpur. He's looked at as a technocrat, somebody who's worked in Odisha for several years, is close to Naveen Patnaik. He has been entrusted with two key portfolios, the railways, which was with Piyush Goyal, now being given to Ashwini Vaishnav, as well as the IT ministry. Remember, this is an extremely important portfolio as well. Let's listen in.
I thank Honorable Prime Minister for giving me this very big responsibility. Railways is a subject which is very close to Honorable Prime Minister's heart. His vision is huge and I will work hard to implement his vision. Railways is already, last 7 years, lots of good work has been done and it will be my responsibility to take it forward.
Well, Meenakshi Lekhi, the second-term MP of the BJP from New Delhi, took oath as the Union Minister of State for the Ministry of External Affairs. She's also taken charge as the MOS External Affairs, also going to be made in charge of the Ministry of Culture.
सबसे पहले अपने सभी मित्रों की तरफ से प्रधानमंत्री जी का, अमित भाई का, नड्डा जी का और पूरी टीम का आभार व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने मेरिटोक्रेसी को और मेहनत को तवज्जो देकर सबको स्थान दिया और पूरे भारत को जो है एक केवल नक्शे पर नहीं बल्कि मंत्रालयों में भी उतारा है और ऐसे में महिलाओं को बड़ी जिम्मेदारी दी है। वो भी प्रधानमंत्री जी की एक बहुत दूर की सोच है।
My colleague Akhilesh Sharma, tracking all the very latest, joins us. Akhilesh, important day today as the new ministers take charge of their various ministries. You've been tracking the intricacies of this reshuffle very closely. What are some of the big takeaways? What are some of the key portfolios, key ministers to watch out for?
Well, Rishika, the new minister said not only taken charge, in fact, has started working. We know that Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself is holding a meeting with the directors of key technical institutions across the country at 11 o'clock. And interestingly, the new Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan will be attending this meeting along with the Prime Minister. And not only the Cabinet Minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, but other three MOS, Minister of States for the same ministry, they are also being asked to be part of the deliberations. So the message from the PMO is very clear that till late last night, the allotment of the portfolios was done, and in the morning itself, the Prime Minister has started working along with the new ministers, and this is the biggest indication that how this new allotment has been done, keeping in mind the qualifications and the experience, and also the age factor and the caste factor and the region factor. All these factors have been taken into account while deciding the new composition of the Union Council of Ministers. And some of the ministers who are there to, watch out for is, of course, the number one is Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav. He has got a big promotion. He has got three key portfolios. Railways is very crucial. And also, apart from railways, he's got communication and electronics and IT. These three portfolios are very key. And we know that for certain that Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has been in the news for the past 2-3 months due to its continuous standoff with the big tech firms around like Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp and other companies. So this
All right,
ministry is to be watched out
Akhilesh,
for.
I'm afraid I'm going to have to interrupt you there. Kiran Rijiju speaking. Let's listen in.
As full of events, full of activities, and the team is wonderful. The team was good. So from common young athlete to senior athletes, I have met most of the players in the academy, and I interacted with most of them. And the journey of making India a great sporting nation will continue, and this will be fulfilled. Prime Minister's vision to make India a great sporting nation will be fulfilled because we have got a great team. And as our team are preparing for Tokyo Olympics, we all will continue to cheer for our team.